Cypher K47H. Cypher K47H is a concrete pump truck in the Carbotech line of Cypher, featuring a 47-meter long pump arm made of carbon fiber at the two ends, helping to reduce weight and increase durability. This design offers high performance and flexibility for a wide range of construction projects. Pump boom length, 47 meters, including 5 sections, of which the last 2 sections are made of carbon fiber. Total weight, under 32 tons, allowing installation on an 8x4 truck with a wheelbase of 5,450 millimeters. Pumping system, option between 2 types, HP1608EC and HP1808ECX, with a pump cylinder diameter of 230 millimeters or 260 millimeters. Maximum pumping capacity, up to 180 cubic meters per hour. Maximum pressure up to 83 bars. Concrete pipe system, 125 millimeters diameter, using Cypher Long Life Pipes technology with 2 layers of protection. Management system, Smartronic Gold with advanced stability control function, optimizing the safe working area when the outriggers cannot be fully opened, with the combination of advanced carbon fiber technology and intelligent design. Cypher the K47H is the ideal solution for construction contractors looking for an efficient, versatile, and reliable concrete pumping machine.
Demag AC500. Demag AC500 crane is one of the large-sized chain hoists, capable of lifting weights up to 500 tons. The machine is equipped with a crane with flexible length adjustment capability, used in bridge and road construction projects, high-rise buildings, and other infrastructure projects that require the ability to lift large loads.
Cutter soil mix.
Industrial equipment used to mix and process soil, commonly used in construction and land reclamation. This machine helps to improve soil structure and prepare the site for various applications. The machine has powerful cutting and mixing blades, which help to disperse and combine soil, rock, and other materials to achieve uniform soil quality and improve its mechanical properties.
Skycrane S6-4E. The Sikorsky S6-4E Skycrane is a twin-engine heavy-lift helicopter designed specifically for heavy lifting and transporting missions. Originally developed by Sikorsky Aircraft in the 1960s, the S6-4E has proven its ability in a variety of applications, including forest firefighting, construction, infrastructure installation, and bulky cargo transportation. It is powered by two Pratt and Whitney J FTD1 2A4A engines, each rated at 4,500 horsepower. Maximum takeoff weight, 19,051 kilograms. Overall length, 21.3 meters. Main rotor diameter, 21.95 meters. Cruise speed, 115 knots. Range, 230 nautical miles for 126 kilometers with a 30-minute fuel reserve. The S6-4E can be equipped with a water tank capacity of up to 9,500 liters, allowing for effective fire suppression. The ability to quickly refuel within 45 seconds enhances performance in emergency situations. With its large load capacity, this helicopter is used to install electric poles, TV towers, and other construction structures in difficult-to-reach terrain. The S6-4E is suitable for moving industrial equipment, heavy machinery, and large construction materials to remote areas or areas that are difficult to access by road. With its unique design and flexible operation, the Sikorsky S6-4E Skycrane has affirmed its position as one of the most efficient heavy-lift helicopters in the world. Its ability to perform a variety of tasks from firefighting to construction makes it the first choice for agencies and businesses that need reliable lifting solutions.
Bucyrus or H for OO. Bucyrus or H for O is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world, with a total weight of up to 980 tons. Equipped with 2 diesel engines with a total capacity of about 5,920 horsepower, with a bucket capacity of up to 94 tons, allowing for excavating a large volume of material in just one operation.
Rock arm attachment.
Rock arm attachments are attachments for excavators or loaders that help handle and manipulate hard rocks and other difficult-to-handle materials. They are commonly used in construction, mining, and earth-moving applications. They are designed to handle hard rocks and difficult-to-cut materials.
Moritz FR75. The Moritz FR75 is a multi-purpose mini tractor specially designed for forestry and landscape maintenance applications. Manufactured by Fanzolt Maschinenbau, the Moritz FR75 features a 55 kilowatts, 75 horsepower 4-cylinder Deutz TD2, 9 diesel engine, water cooling and Clenfix reversible fan, ensuring high performance and fuel economy. The Moritz FR75 is equipped with 3 separate hydraulic systems for transmission, onboard equipment and performance, with a flow rate of up to 96 L per minute at 300 bars, meeting the needs of operating a wide range of auxiliary equipment. With a front approach angle of 50 and a rear approach angle of 40, and a ground clearance of 320 millimeters, the Moritz FR75 easily moves over rough and steep terrain. The chassis system can be hydraulically adjusted for increased stability when operating on different terrains. All functions of the Moritz FR75, including travel control, cable winch and auxiliary equipment, can be operated via a convenient remote control, enhancing safety and efficiency during work. The Moritz FR75 supports a variety of attachments, such as wood chipper, tree planter, trench plow, and winch, flexibly meeting different work needs in forestry and landscape maintenance. The Moritz FR75 is the ideal solution for professionals in the forestry and landscape management sector, helping to optimize work efficiency and ensure operator safety.
Combi SC3 top lift.
Combi SC3 Top Lift is a product of Combi Lift, a company well known for manufacturing lifting and material handling equipment. Combi SC3 Top Lift is a special forklift designed to handle heavy and bulky goods, especially in warehouses and industrial environments. Liebherr Pound 44. The Liebherr LB44 is the largest helical pile drilling machine in the Liebherr drilling machine range. With a torque of up to 510 kNm, the Pound 44 can drill through soil and rock up to 92 meters deep and with a maximum drilling diameter of 3 meters, meeting the needs of large foundation projects and high technical requirements.
Massenbrook V plow.
Massenbrook V plow is a type of plowing or tilling equipment designed to process and work with agricultural soil. It is a product of Massenbrook, a well-known brand in the agricultural and construction equipment industry. V-plow, also known as V-plow, is an important tool for preparing the soil before planting.
Teagle Tomahawk 505M. The Teagle Tomahawk 505M is a straw bale roll machine designed to efficiently and evenly shred and distribute dry materials such as straw and miscanthus. The machine uses blades or hammers to cut the material into small pieces, which are then blown out up to 9 meters, making it suitable for spreading straw in barns or preparing the material for other applications. The Tomahawk 505 can handle round straw rolls up to 1.5 meters in diameter. as well as rectangular straw bales up to 1.2 meters x 1.2 meters. The machine is equipped with screens with openings ranging from 15 millimeters to 36 millimeters, allowing the cutting length of the material to be adjusted according to the application. With different discharge options, the Tomahawk 505M can blow straw up to 9 meters, meeting the specific requirements of the user in distributing the material. The drum rotation speed can be adjusted, allowing precise control of the flow and size of the output material. With its simple, durable design and high performance, the Teagle Tomahawk 505M is the ideal choice for farms and livestock facilities that need an efficient solution for handling and distributing straw and other dry materials. Liebherr R938. The Liebherr R938 is a Liebherr Generation 8 crawler excavator designed with the aim of increasing performance, safety, and operator comfort. The machine replaces the previous version, the R946, bringing many improvements in design and technology. Equipped with an engine with a capacity of up to 299 horsepower, a capacity of up to 3.9 to cubic meters, helping to save time and increase operating capacity. The Liebherr R938 has a completely new design, typical of the Liebherr Generation 8 series, providing high aesthetics and outstanding performance. The cabin is designed with a panoramic view, combined with rear and side surveillance cameras, ensuring safety during operation. Maintenance points are conveniently located, allowing for quick inspection and maintenance. The engine oil, hydraulic oil, fuel, and urea levels can be monitored via the in-cab display with its modern design. High performance and focus on operator comfort and safety, the Liebherr R938 is the ideal choice for large-scale construction and mining projects. It delivers high performance and outstanding reliability in all working conditions.
Markarist MFG.
Markarist MFG is a company specializing in providing equipment and tools for the agricultural and construction industries. The brand is famous for its high-quality products that help optimize work processes, harvesting equipment for a variety of crops, helping to collect products quickly and efficiently. Sandvik LH6 to 1-eye loader. Sandvik LH6 to 1-eye is a heavy-duty underground excavator from Sandvik Smart product line. Equipped with a powerful Tier 4F engine, the machine has a payload of up to 21 tons, allowing for the excavation and transportation of large volumes of ore or minerals in harsh underground environments.
Itera Post Driver.
A specialized industrial equipment for driving piles or posts into the ground. It is a product of Itera, famous for providing accessories and equipment for excavators and diggers. Itera Post Driver is commonly used in construction, agriculture, and applications that require fast and efficient pile driving.
Apollo Generation 2. Apollo Generation 2 is an automatic chicken collection system developed by CMC Industries, designed to increase efficiency and ensure animal welfare during poultry harvesting. This machine helps to reduce stress on chickens, increase collection speed, and improve working conditions for workers. Using a wide conveyor belt and slow speed, ensuring that chickens are transferred gently into the cage without causing injury. Chickens are collected naturally, without direct contact with the operator, reducing stress on animals. Designed according to AHIJ guidelines, with parts in contact with chickens made of stainless steel or galvanized metal, easy to clean and disinfect. Capable of collecting 8,000 to 12,000 chickens per hour, equivalent to 16 to 26 tons hour. Easy to move and significantly reduces manual labor. Only 3 to 4 operators are required. Designed to facilitate daily cleaning with only water and disinfectant, without compromising biosecurity. Compatible with a wide range of cages such as Stork, Linco, Anglia, Maine, or custom cages designed based on practical experience with over 10 million working hours worldwide. With outstanding features and advantages, Apollo Generation 2 is an effective solution for automatic chicken collection, meeting high standards of performance, animal welfare, and biosecurity in the poultry industry.
Roadway kit.
Roadway Kit is part of the JCB product portfolio, providing effective solutions for road construction and maintenance. This equipment helps optimize the work process and ensure the quality of traffic works. Can create a flat road on bad terrain. Helps vehicles move easily on all bad terrain. Sandvik TH6631. The Sandvik TH663i is a modern haul truck designed for high performance in underground mining environments. It is one of Sandvik's top haulers, featuring intelligent features and advanced technology to optimize operations and ensure safety.
Pumpkin seed harvesting.
Pumpkin seed harvesting equipment is a type of machinery designed to efficiently harvest, separate, and process pumpkin seeds. Functions: separate pumpkin seeds from the flesh. Seed separator usually has cutting blades and vibration systems to clean and separate seeds from the pumpkin flesh. Volvo EC950F. Volvo EC950F equipped with Volvo D16 engine with capacity up to 612 horsepower. The machine has an operating weight of about 95 tons, suitable for large-scale excavation, material handling, and mining.
Cord King.
A specialized equipment used to process wood into firewood, commonly used in the forestry industry. Cord King, known for its high-quality solutions in the wood processing sector, provides efficient machines for cutting, sorting, and processing firewood, capable of cutting wood into logs of precise and uniform size. Hitachi ZX870LC6. Hitachi ZX870LC6 is a large crawler excavator, equipped with a high-performance Isuzu engine, with a capacity of about 512 horsepower. The machine has an operating weight of about 84 to 87 tons, suitable for large-scale excavation, rock shoveling, and mining work.
Arius Recycling.
Advanced machinery solutions for waste recycling and material handling, optimizing processing and minimizing environmental impact, can be customized to suit specific waste types and requirements.
Bye bye.